Are you looking to sell your home for the best price possible? Well, you're in the right place. We are diving into the top 10 strategies to sell your home for top dollar. These tips can make all the difference in how much money you walk away with. Hey everybody, my name is Steve Young. This is my channel, Forever Young Real Estate, where I teach buyers and sellers how to buy homes or sell homes in Southeast Idaho and how to grow your wealth in real estate. Stay around to the end of this video and I have 2 bonus tips that sellers overlook that can maximize the money that you come away with. Number 1 is enhance the curb appeal. Appearances do matter. You want the lawn to be mowed, fresh paint. You want the home to be welcoming. You want people to be able to envision them living in your home. Number 2 is declutter and depersonalize. You don't want your place to look like a mess. You want to clean everything up. You want to remove personal pictures and everything. And all those things are specialty, but you want people to be able to envision your pictures up in the home and what the house will look like with their stuff in it. Number 3 is making necessary repairs. Small repairs like faucets, doors, things like that. Being a buyer myself and working with plenty of buyers, one of the things that I would keep in the back of the head is everything they're going to have to fix before they move in. So the less things that they have to fix, the better offer probably going to be considering when they put in an offer for you. Number 4 is staging. I would consider staging your home if you're not still living in it. A professionally staged home can personalize it and bring out its best features for the potential buyers. This could also make it a lot more appealing and it shows off its best features. Number 5 is highly important and something that I do for every person that trusts me to have a listing, and that's professional photography. Taking pictures with your phone just doesn't do the home justice. Great photos stand out online and they bring attention to your home, and people are getting better at realizing what photos are natural photos and which ones are edited. You need a professional photographer. Before I continue with the other 4 things on our list today, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell notification if you'd like to see more videos just like this one. Number 6 is listing the home for the right price. You want to compare your home to other homes that are comparable. Make sure your home is competitive to attract more buyers. If it is priced too high, it's considered on the market and the price is going to drop and people are going to think something's wrong with it. There are some more advanced strategies in pricing of your home. If you're interested, I'll love the chat, even if it's just to give advice. Just write a comment below and I'll reach out to you, or you have my phone numbers below. Number 7 is marketing effectively. You want to maximize and utilize every social media, including and not limited to every major home site online that you get a hold of. There's certain local marketing like open houses and signs that will attract buyers to your home to bring in multiple offers. Number 9 is being flexible. Everybody has different work schedules. Just allowing people to see your home in flexible time frames. This is where it is good to have an agent, because an agent could put a lockbox on that home and he could help show your home when you're not available to show it off. Most good real estate agents that help you sell a home will cover everything on this list, if not most things on this list, if not all. Number 10 is working with a real estate agent. Real estate agents could provide insight on the markets. They could help you come up with a strategy to set the price right, to market it properly. They could help you out with all the legal contractual stuff of the offer, and any good listing agent's going to offer almost everything on this list, if not everything. And here's 2 bonus tips, because the market's changing. Sometimes it's a buyer's market, sometimes it's a seller's market. So if it's a buyer's market, one of the things you could do is offer incentives for them buying your home, such as covering closing costs or home warranties. Home warranties are rather cheap. Some people think, when you think of a warranty, you think of a lot of money, but seller warranties are actually usually not that bad, and they're usually a little bit cheaper for the seller to buy depending on the provider. The second tip I do personally a lot myself, and that's just having a good fragrance in the home. You want people to envision or to think about how they'll feel in the home, or to imagine like how Thanksgiving will be there with smells like apple pie or cookies, etc. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment below on what is your favorite smell to have in a home that would make you feel at home whenever you walk into like a house that you're looking to buy, or just in your home in general. You can also let me know what strategy you like using to try to sell your home. Please look at the description below for more videos, or watch this video next. Thank you.